Alright, today I'm going to unbox and hopefully set up this Blink home security system. 4 cameras. They say 10-minute setup. Let's see how it goes. Did you get yours yet? What's inside? Paperwork. Ooh, look at this. Isn't that nice? Blink outdoor. And an indoor. It's a bonus. Indoor camera. 2-way audio on all of these cameras. Day and night HD vision. Motion detection. Let's see what we got here. It's a nice kit, ain't it? 3 cameras in there. Works with Alexa, if you have that. Open it up. Back nicely. Well, it has batteries included, remember? It's supposed to last 2 years. Right there it says 2-year battery life, wireless cameras. Okay. How's it open like this? Ooh. There's the module, sync module. Oh, a little book of instructions. Hopefully that's all we need. 1, 2, 3. Download the app, which I did already because I knew I was getting this today. Add your sync module. Add your cameras. Okay. Here's the sync module. It must plug in with this. And all these cameras mount to these. Alright. I might not put them everywhere outside where I want them today, but I'm going to get it set up real quick. Look, it's got screws for everything. That's good. Now we're going to screw these outside. Alright, what does this say? Download the app, which I did. I did it on my iPad and also my cell phone. There it is, Blink. Blink. Alright, I have to create an account. So let's plug in this sync module. This should be in the middle of all your cameras, you know, in the middle of your house. I know right where I'm going to put this. Take this plastic off. Plug this end in here. Only goes one way. Plug the USB end into the power block. And I'm going to go across the room and plug this where I want it. A centralized location. You can put a USB memory drive in here to save all your recordings instead of paying the cloud or whatever. Okay, I plugged it in across the room. I better set up an account here. Let me put my email and my password in here. Just gonna think one up quick. Hang on. Okay, I did that and it verified through my email. And I had to put a verification code in here. That was easy. So this says start with the sync module, then add wireless cameras. So let me click on that. Grant permission to your phone to use the camera. Oh, scan the QR code on the device. Alright. That's going to be this on the device. So let me go over and do that. Okay, then it said discover device, and the device was blinking blue. And I clicked here. Yes, it's blinking blue. Now it's connecting to the sync module. Hasn't been 10 minutes yet, has it? Then it wants to connect to my Wi-Fi, and I'm going to put my Wi-Fi password in here. Okay, I put my password in. Connecting to Blink servers. This may take a minute. While I'm waiting for that, I guess I could put batteries in these cameras here. Right? Look at that. They hook on like this outside. Take this plug out the back. Oh, look at that. Just click on there like that. Yeah, I'm ready to go. That's how you open it to put the batteries in. Oh look, I can open it with my finger now. It says use the included tool. There's a tool there somewhere. Tool? Look, there's a tool. The tool came with it. Updating firmware here on the phone. Now this end is the screwdriver part. And this is this part. What does that do? I don't know. Yeah, Yeah, it shows you a picture there. Unscrew that. Put your batteries in. Connected successfully with the sync module. Done. Now tap to add a device. Okay, let me put the batteries in first. One at a time. Don't lose them. These must be good batteries if they last 2 years. What kind are they? Energizer Ultimate Lithium. Okay. Make sure these go in the correct way. Up, down, down, up. Put the cover back on. Tighten it up. Was that upside down? Oh, it's blinking red. It was. Tighten that back up with this tool. So it's nice and weather tight. Okay, now. It says, oops, where'd you go? Tap to add a blink device. I did. Now what?
You've got mail.
Oh, I got mail. Blink wireless camera. Enter serial manually or scan the code on the device. I can see a code on this device. It wasn't inside, was it? Alright, I opened it inside and there's a QR code there I'm going to scan. See that? So let's go here. See? Alright, scan that. It tells me where to put it. Keep it away from trees because it's going to keep setting off the motion sensor, but you can change the sensitivity and the notifications. Now it's updating the camera. Updating firmware, it says. And while I'm waiting for that, let's open the other cameras and put the batteries in. Well, then you put this plug back in too to protect it from the weather. If you're not using this mount, I'd say. But we're probably going to use the mount, right? You could just stand it up on something outside. Camera added successfully. Good. Alright. Done. Let's see. Done. Done. You see yourself here? Grant permission for the microphone. Allow. You don't see yourself. Where are you? Hey, see, there we are. Oh, hi. I hear the sound coming through there. Okay. You could turn that off and on as you like, the sound. Can you see that? Oh yeah, you see that down there. Okay. Let me continue with the next 3 cameras. 2 outdoor and 1 indoor. It's going to be easy. Don't forget to take the plastic off the front here or you're going to have a distorted view. Okay. Batteries in. Go back. Add another camera with the plus up here. Blink wireless camera. And I'm going to scan this again. Okay. There. Gets it real quick. I was looking for this camera. Easy. Easy, easy. So far. On to the third one. Take the plastic off. Put the batteries in. Scan it. Seems to be updating firmware for each camera, but that's okay. Just a one-time thing. But I think we're going into past 10 minutes now. It's alright, it's easy. It says camera added successfully. Go to done. And now I got 2 cameras there. I put the batteries in the third one and scan the code. You know how to do it, so easy. Alright, there it goes again. Third camera. Then I'm going to open the box for the indoor camera. And I'm sure it's the same way. Okay, the end of your screwdriver tool goes in this hole here, see? The other end, the round end. Goes in there. Clicks in tight. Then when you mount this outside, there's 2 screw holes there if you want to mount it like that. See? It just pops into this like this. Just pops into there, see? Hope you see alright. Plop! And you got a mount, see? You can move it. This will be screwed somewhere. You can move this however you like. You'll see once you get it somewhere. Alright, I got all three connected. I'm going to open the indoor one now. You can just stand these up somewhere too. You don't have to mount them, right? This is the indoor. Let me open this somehow. Like that. Ooh, that's a nice one. There's plastic on the front too. Take that off. Blinky blinky. There you got your QR code to scan. And your power. This one's pretty easy. And screws there. There's screws in there if you want to mount it to the wall or whatever. You can stand it up on a shelf or however you like it. Alright, let's plug this one in and let it get discovered. Again, this is easy. The USB goes in there. Plug that in the wall. Pretty much wire here. That's pretty good. And plug this in the back. Right there. That goes in pretty solid. Plug it in the wall and scan the back of it. All plugged in. I'm going to go back to the app. I'm going to say add another camera. Here, plus up here. Mini camera. Okay. That's always on wired camera. That's good. We're going to scan the back of it. Hang on. Connecting to the mini camera. This is asking me my Wi-Fi again. That's okay. Here we go. Alright, it's updating that camera now. And I had an extra USB drive that I'm going to plug into the sync module where you can save your clips to. Instead of saving them all to your phone, alright, this one's done connected. Alright, where am I now? You can rename these and everything. But this is good. You can save all your clips to here instead of to your phone. But you can still save them to your phone and email them to somebody. Or save them. Alright, that's pointing up at the ceiling. Let's move that. That's the indoor camera. There we are. Alright. That's... See? That's the indoor camera. That always stays on. You can talk to somebody. I can hear sound in there right now. You can turn it off by that. So you know it's muted. You don't have to listen. I'm going to talk. Hello? 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 I hear myself talking out there. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright, nice. So that was, I don't know, 20 minutes because I was goofing around somewhat. That's, oh, that's shining up at the ceiling. What is, that's another one. Alright. I'm going to name these and put them around the yard and the house. Recorded clips can be found here. Right now it's disarmed for motion. Okay. Armed, disarmed. We could set the distance and all that. Looks like you can take a snapshot. Here's all your other settings. Oh, you name it right there, like outside or garage, you know, and it tells you your battery. And here's your zones. You hold this to talk. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, that's cool. Just hold it. Now I'm getting notifications that I had a motion clip. See that? Okay, so you can go back and name these. Like, you know, it shows you that. Motion detection, enable. Alright, see, you got to get a picture on here of where it's set, and then you can set your zones. See that? If that was outside, I'd say there's motion here. There's a tree moving all the time. I don't want that to set off the motion, okay? But I got to set these up to set this properly. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Hope you have good luck with it. I'm going to set it up and learn a little bit more about it. But it was worth the price. I like it. Alright, thanks for watching. Now I'm getting notifications here. Okay, every time I move I get a notification. You could change that. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. I'll let you know when I get these all set up. How cool they are. They're cool right now. You know that. 4-camera system. Don't blink. I hope that helped a little bit. Set up anyway. It's easy. You can do it. Have a nice day.